Hello everyone. In this video I'll be discussing a list of top 10 best comedy anime of spring 2021. One of the fun ways to relieve stress is watching anime, especially comedy genre anime that contains absurd behavior of the characters which always succeed in making us laugh. This time, I picked up 10 best comedy anime in spring 2021. Before we start, be sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of new videos.
Let me get one more good look at my girls before you go. Eat this!
Number 10 Zombieland Saga Revenge. This anime is the second season of the Zombieland Saga franchise, which previously aired in fall 2018 with 12 episodes in total. In Season 2, it seems that it still continues the story of Season 1, with the main characters becoming idols, but not just idols, they are a group of zombie idols raised from different generations.
あなたがホロホロ。さっきはよくも私の手作りの衣装に文句を言ってくれたわね。
Number 9 Shaman King 2021. If you have watched this anime, you must be familiar with Yu Asakura, who is a shaman with his behavior. This anime is presented as a remake anime that aired in summer 2001 produced by Zebek Studio. For those who have never watched The Shaman King, we will tell you a little about the storyline. The story of this anime revolves around a man known as a shaman, in the world of Shaman King. Shaman is an individual with extraordinary abilities, ranging from communicating with ghosts, spirits and even gods. It sets on a tournament that is held once every 500 years, where shamans from all over the world gather and show their abilities, to become the most powerful shaman. The winner of this tournament will be awarded the title, Shaman King. With this title, one is able to control Great Spirit, allowing them to shape the world as they wish. Number 8. I have been killing slimes for 300 years and maxed out my level. It is an anime that will air in spring 2021, which is adapted from the light novel series by Kisetsu Marita and illustrated by Benio. This anime is a typical isekai genre. The story tells about an office worker named Azusa Aizawa who suddenly died due to overwork. When reincarnated, Azusa finds herself meeting an angel who allows her to reincarnate into a new world as an immortal magician. Since then, Azusa's new and relaxed life begins, where she spent 300 years just killing monsters and enjoying her eternal life. Number 6 Full Dive. The ultimate next-gen full dive RPG is even shittier than real life. It is an anime adaptation from a Japanese light novel series written by Light Tuchichi and illustrated by Yuta. The story begins when a change of events happens unexpectedly. A boring high school student named Hiroyuki gets a role game in playing game Kiwam Quest, a game with the best technology at the time. This game claims that players will be brought to reality on an extreme level. Starting from the stunning graphics, to the scent of vegetation around the players. Kiwam Quest features more than 10 quadrillion flags and reflects the real-life physical abilities of players in the game. Getting hit in the game is also painful in real life and slashes can take days to heal. Number 5 Don't Toy With Me Miss Nagatoro. Don't Toy With Me Miss Nagatoro is an anime adaptation of a Japanese web manga series written and illustrated by Nanashi. It tells the story of a girl named Nagatoro who is 15 years old. She really likes to mess with Senpai and finds joy when teasing him. even though it seemed that she just wanted to torment him, like Nagatoro was interested in her senpai. Whenever other people tried to annoy his senpai, Nagatoro became very hostile towards them. Her friends called her Hayachi, that sometimes irritates her.
高校1年の冬、俺は恋の毒に侵された。初恋だった。
Number 4 Osamake, rom-com where the childhood friend won't lose. The anime is an adaptation of the Japanese light novel series written by Tsuchinimaru and illustrated by Ueshiga. The story begins with a young man named Sueharu Maru. He is an ordinary 17-year-old high school student, who has never had a girlfriend. As in other romantic comedy anime, Sueharu lives next to his childhood friend named Kuroha Shida, a girl with the Oni-san type with a small, cute and friendly figure. This is an anime with a complicated love story between a virgin boy and a girl.
俺はリムルテンペスト。一匹のスライムだ。今日もテンペストは平和そうで何よりだ。人間だった俺は。
Number 3 That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime Season 2. That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime is a 2018 television anime series based on the light novel series written by Fuse. The story still centers on Rimuru, who enjoys his daily life as a reincarnation of slime. Number 2. Welcome to Demon School Iruma-kun second season. This anime was originally an adaptation of the Japanese manga series by Osamu Nishi. This anime is the second season of this franchise, which previously aired in fall 2019 with total 23 episodes. The anime story begins and centers on a child named Iruma Suzuki, a 14-year-old boy who is sold by his irresponsible parents to one of the devil's leaders. However, the bald-headed demon considered Iruma his favorite grandson and sent him to a special devil school where he worked as the headmaster. To survive there, Iruma met a number of unique demons and led an unusual life in a demon school. Season 2 shows the visual of Iruma, who has a twin with the creepy appearance, like the devil in Iruma, starting to rise.
力を求めるか。ならばこのディアブロが力を貸してやろう。
Number 1 How Not to Summon a Demon Lord Omega. This anime is the second season of the comedy fantasy anime series entitled How Not to Summon a Demon Lord. It is an anime adaptation from a light novel by Murasaki Yuya and illustrated by Surusaki Takehiro. This anime premiered in summer 2018 with 12 episodes in total. This anime itself follows the adventures of a man named Takuma Sakamoto, who one day he is suddenly summoned to the world he plays named Cross Reverie. In a new world that resembles his favorite game, Takuma names himself after the in-game character, Diablo. Starting from here, the adventure of Diablo the Demon King with Rem Galu and Shira L. Greenwood, two people who accidentally became the slaves of Diablo in this new world starts. That is it from today's video on Top 10 Best Comedy Anime of Spring 2021. If you do not agree with the points in the video and have some of your own opinions, share them with us in the comments section down below.